Hey everyone, this is Cosmofluencer Srush. Welcome you to my today's video about human life beyond the Earth. Have you ever thought about the fascinating ways the human body transfers in the environment of space? While the experience of weightlessness can appear breathtaking and otherworldly, astronauts confront various significant challenges as they journey beyond our planet. Today, let's look at how space affects us and what we need to survive beyond the Earth. So here's the very first section comes microgravity's impact on the body. Microgravity, a condition experienced in space where the force of gravity is significantly diminished, greatly impacts the human body in various ways, in that we experience muscle and bone loss. In the unique microgravity environment, our muscles and bones face much less strain than they do on the Earth. This reduced need for support results in noticeable muscle weakening and atrophy, as well as a concerning decrease in bone density. Astronauts can lose as much 1% of their bone mass each month, which equates to losing years of physical strength in just a few short weeks. Then next comes fluid redistribution. Have you ever noticed how astronauts often have puffy faces? This swelling occurs because bodily fluids shift upwards from their usual positions in the weightlessness of space. As a result, astronauts experience noticeable puffiness in their facial features, and the circulation in their legs decreases, leading to a variety of physical changes during their time in orbit. Here comes section 2, radiation exposure. Radiation exposure refers to the process by which individuals come in contact with ionizing radiation, which can originate from natural sources like cosmic rays or radioactive materials in the Earth, as well as artificial sources such as medical imaging equipment and nuclear power. So the next is section 3, psychological effects. Isolation and confinement. Spending several months in a cramped environment can lead to significant feelings of anxiety, depression, and difficulties. Astronauts face these challenges and must undergo specialized training to support their mental health during these demanding situations. For this, a small solution highlight I can provide is an effective solution to combat these issues. Includes engaging in team bonding activities which foster friendship among crew members and organizing virtual meetings with family. Here's the conclusion. Up to now, the human body shows remarkable resilience, yet the harsh conditions of space challenge us in ways we never imagined. With groundbreaking innovations, collaborative teamwork, and unwavering determination, the dream of living beyond our planet is becoming a reality. Are you prepared to embark on this exciting journey and be part of the next monumental leap into the unknown?